Welcome to part one of a video series on the Aeroqual AQY, our new micro air quality monitoring station. This first video is just going to have a look at an unboxing so you can see what components you get with an AQY, and then we're going to power on the AQY and just see how you would connect to it with your laptop or your smartphone or your tablet. So let's get started. Each AQY comes in an individual white box. And let's have a look and see what components we get. Okay, so the AQY itself comes wrapped in a plastic bag. This plastic bag helps a little bit to keep the delicate sensor surfaces from being contaminated during shipping. So you can just lift the AQY out of its individual plastic bag. Inside the white box you also get some components here. And every single AQY also comes with a printed user guide. Okay. So what do we have? So we have the individual printed user guide. We have here a mounting bracket. This will help you to mount your AQY to a pole or to a fence. We have some screws that come with the mounting bracket, some cable ties, a USB stick, which is really important. We'll see what is on the USB stick a little bit later. And you'll get a power supply which is configured for your particular country. So please make sure that when you order the AQY from us, you specify which country so we can ship you the correct power supply. The AQY itself is here. We can have a really quick look at some of the connections on the base. What you see here is the temperature and humidity sensor. Here is the PM inlet, and here is, there is the NO2 sensor, and here is the ozone sensor. And finally, this is the inlet power. So what we're going to do now is just apply the power connection, and we'll see the AQY appear on our PC, and we'll just go through the steps required to connect to it. Okay, so let's get started with that.